G'day guys, today we've got a differentiation question that's very common in calculus exams. What we have is we've got a function x squared plus ax plus b that's had two of its coefficients removed and replaced with a and b. They'd give us the information that the function has a gradient of 7 at the point 2, 6. And the question is asking us to find a and b. Alright, so basically the way we do this is exactly the same every single time. We have two variables that we're trying to solve for, so we're going to need two different equations. So in this case, the two different equations we're going to have are, number one, an equation for the function at 2, and number two, the equation for the derivative of the function at 2. And with these two bits of information, we will be able to find what a and b are. And we have the information to calculate both of these because we have the gradient at the point x equals 2, and we also have the actual function value at the point x equals 2. Cool, so let's go about solving this. So we'll start with number one. So we've got the function at 2 is going to equal 2 squared plus 2a plus b, and that's going to equal 6. So we can go 2 squared is 4 plus 2a plus b equals 6. And then we can say that we can move the 4 to the other side and we can have an equation 2a plus b is equal to 2 because we take 4 from both sides. Cool, so we have a first equation. Let's work on our second one, 2. We're going to work out the derivative of the equation, so f prime of x. And that's going to equal 2x plus a. So therefore, f prime at 2 is going to equal 2, substitute in 2. And apparently this function has a gradient of 7 at the point x equals 2. So after we've done that, we just do a bit of maths. 4 plus a equals 7. So therefore a is going to have to equal 3. We then get this value of a and we substitute it in for a in the other equation. So we're left with 2. Instead of a, we're going to write 3 plus b equals 2. So 6 plus b equals 2. So therefore, b must equal negative 4. Cool. So it asks us to find a and b. In an exam, that would be enough, but just for completeness, let's just write down what our formula would then be. So we can say, therefore, y will be equal to x squared plus 3x minus 4. And that is all she wrote, guys. All we have to do, so backtracking here, we've got a function that's got two of its coefficients missing. Therefore, as a result, because we have 2, 1, 2, it means we're going to need two equations. If we had 3 coefficients missing, we'd need 3 equations. Hopefully you get the pattern. So what we usually do is the patterns will come straight from the equations will come straight from the information in the question. So here we have the gradient is 7. So as soon as you see the word gradient in a question, you need to think the derivative of x equals 7. Equals a particular number. So what we then do is the other one we can find by just having a coordinate point, because we can then establish what y is in terms of x. Once you've done that, it'll be a simple steps of just forming some simultaneous equations and solving them. So I hope this video helped, guys. I put out new videos all the time. If you have any questions, feel free to just leave me a little message saying, hey, can you solve this problem for me or that problem for me? Do us a favor and give the video a like, subscribe to my channel if you feel like it, and I'll see you again next time.